Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a couple of years, but I'm back and we finna get into some goodies. So now I'm just prepping my wig to be washed. I'm gonna be putting some shampoo on the perimeter of the lace to get the glue that was previously on there off. So yes, I am washing it in hot water, but I didn't boil the water or anything like that. I just got it to the hottest temperature, running out of the sink, added the purple shampoo, and washed my wig that way because I also wanted to lighten the yellow tones in the hair. So some specs about this hair: it is all body wave blonde 613 hair. I have two 26 inches, 124, 122, and 120 inch frontal. The reason why I'm not promoting this hair or anything is because this hair is shedding like a mug. Yes, I cut the wefts when making this wig, but I've made 4 wigs now and this hair has just shedded a lot. Like if you're looking at the brush, you can see all of the hair coming out of this hair. Now that I'm done cleaning the hair and brushing it through, we're gonna go ahead and start drying this hair. I'm attaching the Barb Speedy wig hair dryer. This is compatible to all universal wig stands. As you can see, this is my first time ever using this product. I'm just now taking it out of the packaging, reading the instructions, and seeing for myself. The instructions say to place it on the wig stand, secure it with the wig clip straps, be careful not to tear your lace. It specifically says to switch your hairdryer to cool setting or turn it down to the low speed and put it on warm. It says if you have it on hot or anything other than they specifically said, it could melt the wig head. I read the instructions, but it still was a little bit hard for me to secure my wig onto the wig stand. As you can see, it kept falling off. Like there's no real grips at the top of it for it to keep your wig onto the stand. Like you really have to makeshift it yourself. But like the instructions said to be careful about tearing your lace, I decided to attach the clips to my cap of my wig and not the lace. Right here I'm just showing that I put it on low and on warm. My cool button you have to hold, and I was not finna sit here and hold the cool button the whole time while it's drying. So rock or toss? This would have to be a toss for me. It's supposed to be more convenient to have the wig dryer, but it seems to be mostly inconvenient. It shouldn't take all night for it to not even fully dry with it being on a dryer. It could be because I have long hair, but also I just feel that I could save my $65 than to actually buy this. It was on sale. They usually go for $85. and I just feel like, you know, it's a toss. I decided to make this video now only because I'm prepping this wig for my birthday and it needed to be washed before then. I will be doing a tutorial and a rocker toss for the hair glue that I will be using. It's a new hair glue that I haven't used ever before. And so yeah, stay tuned.